regarding my work with Ahmed. My aim and goal is to mainly work to improve his memory, cognition, oral, verbal, and spelling problems. The most interesting things which Ahmed likes or the reading courses of Ahmed are cards, red color, drawing, blending range. And it's become running, skipping rope. So it's been pleasure working here. I would especially like to thank Sir Shetan and Sir Irfan, the head of this institution, for providing me this opportunity for learning so much things. Thank you so much.